In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply location-based costs in CostMiner, a powerful tool designed for precise construction estimating and takeoff. This tutorial is ideal for contractors and project managers who need to adjust costs based on regional variations. Let's start by heading over to the CostMiner platform, a comprehensive solution tailored for the construction estimating needs. First, navigate to CostMiner's website by opening your preferred web browser. Enter the URL in the address bar and hit enter. You're now at the main page of CostMiner. Notice its clean and intuitive design, which makes navigation straightforward and efficient. Next, you'll need to log in. Simply click on the Login to CostMiner button, which is prominently displayed on the homepage. Enter your credentials carefully. If you're new to CostMiner or have forgotten your login information, remember that there are options for password recovery or creating an account right there on the page. Once you're logged in, you're taken to your personal dashboard. Here, find your project by selecting it from the list of ongoing tasks. This section will display all active and saved projects, allowing you to manage each one individually. Click on your project to proceed. You should see a summary and detailed view with various tabs like Overview, Costs, and Estimates. Now let's dive into modifying rate settings. Click on the Rates tab. This area is crucial as it forms the basis of your estimates. In this demonstration, we're using the global rates as our starting point. These rates serve as a benchmark, which you can then adjust to reflect local price fluctuations or changes specific to your project's location. As you explore through the rates, identify the specific item whose price you wish to adjust. CostMiner organizes these items in a list format, making it easy for you to scroll through and pinpoint what you need. If your item isn't listed, don't worry. You can easily add new items by clicking the Add button. A dialog box will prompt you to enter necessary details, ensuring accuracy in your cost estimates. Once you locate the item, click on the rate associated with it. A box appears allowing you to make changes directly. Enter the new rate, considering all factors, like inflation, supply chain issues, or region-specific tariffs that could impact costs. Take time to ensure your rates are accurate as they will affect the overall budget projection. Finally, don't forget you can tweak the cost per unit for additional precision in your estimates. Each adjustment you make here can have substantial ramifications on your project's bottom line, so utilize these tools wisely. Now you've learned the process of applying location-based costs within CostMiner, enabling you to cater estimates accurately suited to any project or geographic requirement. Be sure to save your changes before navigating away and review your project totals to comprehend the impact of your adjustments. This method not only aids in maintaining your project's financial health, but also enhances competitive pricing and resource allocation.